So I'm going to walk you guys through how to use script to stock to create your video. Basically, this is the fastest way you can create a video for a niche that is heavy on stock footage. The channel I'm going to be referencing for this walkthrough is going to be this gardening niche, because they started a month ago and they have a popular video of around 144 views. They also sell digital product like an ebook or something, so it's a very good niche to go into. So now I already created my script. And my voiceover. My voiceover is ready as well. Yeah, this is my thumbnail. Although it's not as good as my competitor's own, but for the sake of this video, I'll just use it. So now that everything is ready, let's get started. I'm going to walk you through how to get your clips, put it in CapCut, export, and upload it on YouTube. So the first thing you do is to copy your script. This is my script in Google Doc. Copy your script, upload it to this place that says video script. The next thing is you go to wherever you get your voiceover from, you download your voiceover, then you drag it to this section that writes voiceover audio. Once you're done with that, you click on analyze script and find footage, then you let it do its work. So after the website have done its thing, like analyze the whole script, this is what you get. It will divide your script into different scenes, and for this our example, it divided our script into 45 different scenes. And now this is scene 1. Right here you will see the the script that made up scene 1. Understand? If you come down again, this is scene 2. You see where it peaked. From here to here is what makes up scene 2. Now there are some other things we need to look out for. I need to explain here. Scene 1 is supposed to start from 0.00 seconds to the 11th second. That's why we have here 11 seconds. Now you look at the clips that was selected, that was pulled out from the internet for you, although copyright free resources alone. Look at the script. Which one is closest to 11 seconds, or which one is 11 seconds on the dot? So we don't have any 11 seconds here, but we have a few 10 seconds. This is 10 seconds, this is 10 seconds, this is 10 seconds. But in all these 10 seconds, I think this one is closely related to what they are talking about here. Yeah, so that is why the system automatically selects this. Now, if you don't like the selection that the system selects, you can untick it and tick your own, whichever one you like. It's as simple as that. So now there are some other things you can do. If you click on this preview, this I button, it's going to play the video for you, so you can be sure of what you are selecting, so you don't just select any random video. So sometimes you can preview the video to see what's going on. And for any reason, if you want to download an individual clip, let's say while editing on CapCut, you discover that, oh, there's a clip you saw that you like, you want to go and download it and come and add. You just come back here and click on this download button. It will automatically download just this clip for you. So that is what you need to know about it. And then the last feature of the whole thing is that we have this search button here. If you feel like what the AI and the system gave you is not reliable enough, like you don't like it, you can come and search for your own keyword. You can come and, for instance, let's say walking into a mall. You can search this and it will check the internet, like copyright free resources for someone. Imagine this was the first set of clips they found for you, but since you click walking into the mall, it will give you different videos of people walking into the mall. You can see. So if the videos or clips that were selected for you or that was provided for you is not sufficient enough, like you don't like it for any reason, you can come here, type in a keyword and click search. You'll see it will add more videos according to your new keywords for you. So this is basically all you need. It's basically all you need to get your videos ready. Now, what I will advise you do is you go through each scene by scene, and check out if what the write up here says, like your script, and what was selected matches, and then if it also fits with the seconds here. Yeah, so that is all. When you are done selecting all your clips, you scroll back up and click on export zip. Click on export zip, it will export. Yeah, it will start exporting, and that's all. So the video has finished exporting. This is how it will export as a zip file. Now when you unzip the file, inside the folder you have a few things here. Now your voiceover, the voiceover you uploaded to the platform will still be here. If you open this media, you're going to have all the clips you selected. They are going to be arranged accordingly, according to the scenes and how you selected them. They're going to be arranged. And then finally, you have this timeline.txt. If you open this timeline.txt, it is just the whole scene for you in case you want to use this to rearrange stuff. This is scene one. Scene one started from year to year. Scene two started from year to year. So that is still a guide for editing. So what we are going to do now is open CapCut. Where is my CapCut? I'm going to open CapCut, and then I'll drag my voice over to the timeline. I'll drag my voice over to the timeline. Then open the media folder. Once I open the media folder, I'll select everything like Control A. If you're using MacBook, Command A. You drag it to the timeline. You allow it to load because it might take some time. It's 63 items on materials. Now that's it. That is it. Your video clips have exported to. The video clip is inside of CapCut. Now what you do is you drag it from here to here. You allow everything to load. It's still loading. Still loading. Okay, so when you upload everything to CapCut, your voiceover and your clips, you drag everything to your timeline, you see that it would align perfectly with your voiceover. But most times, on some occasions, your clips, your clips here could be slightly lower than, less than your voiceover, or more than your voiceover, and that is normal. You can just trim it off and stuff, because most of the times the selected clips are longer than the actual duration, or shorter. You saw that when when we were generating the whole thing. So this is it. Your video is ready. Very easy, very fast. Then you can still go through it to confirm that everything kind of matches what they are saying. If you don't like a particular clip, you can go back, download an individual video and replace it. And there's one other thing you need to do. Remember to always mute this track, because most of these clips have voices. So mute it so that they do not contradict with your voiceover. Understand? So that's it. If you use caption, you can just click on caption. You generate caption for your video, and that's all. So let's just quickly play a few these things so we see how it's.
Every spring, you walk into the garden center and you walk out $80 lighter. Bags of this, bottles of that, slow release pellets that promise the world. Meanwhile, your neighbor's tomatoes are twice the size of yours, and she hasn't bought fertilizer in 3 years. She knows things. Specifically, she knows the cheap, effective methods that garden centers would rather you.
You can see how effective this method is. When we talked about potatoes, he gave a potatoes clip. When he talks about fertilizer and gardening, it showed someone tilling the soil. So I think this is an effective and a very cheap way of creating a video that is heavy on stock footage. And with this kind of content, you would not face inauthentic content except you are wrongfully affected. So that is all for this video. I hope it was helpful.